Howdy y'all, BrotherKalob here, and today I'm opening this new drawing tablet I got called the XOPPOX drawing tablet. Nice little tablet, so why don't we go ahead and open this nice little thing up and mess up the boxes, because I don't do unboxing videos ever. I'm terrible at them. But anyways, I bought myself a new drawing tablet because my recent one the screen had broke, sadly. So I thought I'd get myself this new one. Bought it for $170 on sale and on Amazon, and it's nice and big. That is 15.5 inches or 15.6, and it comes with a lot. It comes with this nice little stand that I struggle to get out of the plastic because I don't know why it's covered in plastic, but they put it in plastic, but that's okay. But it's nice. It's a little stand. Has multiple levels to it. It's really nice. Feels pretty sturdy. Tablet was holding it well, so yeah, so that's pretty cool. But anyways, we'll set that off to the side here, and we'll get to the rest of this. It came with a lot. Came with, of course, the little guide. It's pretty straightforward. It gives you a link. You just download the driver straight from the link, and that's pretty much it. It's just plug and play. And then it comes with this nice little glove. I'll be honest, I've had better gloves before. I've ordered a bunch of packs, but it's okay. It fits all right. I have better fitting ones, but it is nice that it comes with a little glove for it when you're buying this. So yeah, that's good. Yeah, super. Feels alright. I do like my other ones. I'll put a link to that in the description. And then they decided to put this plastic over everything, and I struggle with everything that is plastic. I struggle a lot with opening stuff. I just tear everything up, leave trash everywhere. But it comes with this little plug. This thing does use power from an outlet, which is my first time ever having something like that, because it is a pretty big monitor. That right there that is a little pen holder that you put on the side. You click in, and then here we have an HDMI to mini HDMI. So you plug the mini HDMI into the tablet, and then you do have to plug this into your graphics card and not get stuck on that little thing there. I hate those. Anyways, going on to the next thing. There's another cable that you need. I don't know what it does, but it does stuff. Yeah. So anyways, next cord right here, this is the power cord. This will go to our little brick there and plug into the outlet. If I could open it, that I struggle with every day. Come on, open. Fuck it. I don't care. Ribbit. I don't care. There. I'm terrible. Anyways, yeah, that little red cord, that'll go into your brick, and it will go into the outlet. Anyways, right here we got a little pen holder, which I've never really had before. And then this is the little bottom piece that you put all your little tips in. I took it apart by accident, but that's fine. But yeah, you just put your other tips in there. You want to switch out your tips, and then this just screws into the bottom like a puzzle, and there you go. Put your pen in there. You can put it into the pen holder on the side of the tablet. So, dandy. Yeah, that's what I just threw. And then those are all your little tips and all that. That'll go into there. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And then anyways, it comes in this nice little leather-like pen holder, which I don't know why. I guess you have 3 options now to put your pen somewhere, and you get to watch me try to pull this out. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. That's fancy. This is probably the fanciest feeling pen I've ever had. I've had 4 drawing tablets, and I've had 2 screen tablets. This is nice. It's fancy. Love the clicks to it. Feels very comfortable. Feels right. And yeah, so got everything there. And yeah. So after setting everything up, it's just plug and play. And honestly, it's been a while since I've drawn on the drawing tablet. But I gotta tell you this screen protector that they put on it, it feels so nice. It feels way better than my previous drawing tablet, and it just felt comfortable to draw again. It felt really nice. You're gonna see me struggle here. This is how I draw my little triangle boy. I will draw like maybe 5 to like 20 different triangles till I get it right. That's just how I draw. It's just a hobby. But I gotta say, drawing with this was very nice, very comfortable. The screen is massive. This is a big improvement to how I used to draw, and it just felt incredible. And yeah, I mean, y'all could just watch me draw this little thing. I take forever. Nothing is perfect with me. Also, the program I use, if y'all are interested, is called Krita. So yeah, I gotta say, after drawing with this tablet, I was very satisfied. It was pretty simple. I just followed the instruction books, which all it tells you is to just upload the drivers, which the link that they give you goes straight to the drivers, and it's the first thing that I clicked on when I got there. You just download it, open it, and you just calibrate it, make sure that your pen works. You do have to change the monitor on there. Make sure that it's set to the monitor to your drawing tablet. And you'll be able to tell when you move your pen around. And if you see your cursor on a different monitor, just keep changing the monitors till it gets to your drawing tablet. And then you'll be all dandy and that'll be fixed. But yeah, just wanted to say howdy. Glad I get to go back to drawing again. And this was super fun to make a video again. I haven't made a video in a minute, so hopefully more videos to come. And I hope y'all enjoyed my little review. Anyways, y'all take care. Love y'all. Bye-bye.